This video is sponsored by JCPenney, and although the holidays are going to be a lot different this year, I would like to share my favorite must-have of JCPenney holiday home pieces, and I'll also be sharing a few of my family favorite side dish recipes that's straight out of my dearest friend Rosie Mays from iHeart Recipes. She has an amazing cookbook, you guys, that is out of this world. I remember when I was a little girl and my mom owned Corningware bakeware, and now I'm a fan of their dishwasher and oven safe pieces. This is their 4-piece modern collection in the color gray, and what I love most about their pieces is that you can bake and serve right from the dish. Rosie has an amazing yam recipe, and they are definitely my family's favorite side dish. I peeled 3 large sweet potatoes, and I'm using Cuisinart Classic 12-piece knife set in the color matte black, and it includes a chef knife, a utility knife, one for bread, and paring knife, and they all come with sleeves, and they are so pretty in person. Your kitchen must be equipped with the Cook's 21-piece stainless steel essentials. This product is sturdy, shiny. My favorite must-have from this collection is the 4-quart steamer that I'll share again in a bit, but it also comes with a measuring spoons, measuring cups, 1 slotted turner, and 1 spoon. I'm making the candied yam mixture in the Cook saucepan. I'm adding real butter, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and the key ingredient is ginger. It's optional although. Melt everything down until it looks like this. Pour the mixture over the potatoes and let it bake on 350 for 35 to 40 minutes, and voila, you have southern yams. Southern corn pudding is definitely a comfort dish. The taste of sweet corn and savory custard is a different take on just making corn. From mixing to storing, you will always need a great set of mixing bowls. This set is from Cuisinart. It comes in 1.5, 3, and 5-quart bowls, and they all have plastic lids. I'm using the 3-quart bowl to make my corn pudding. You will need a box of corn muffin mix, whole corn cream style sweet corn, nutmeg, vanilla, 4 eggs, and sour cream and granulated sugar. Put your eggs in a mixing bowl, then add 2 cans of the creamed corn and 1 can of the regular corn. Be sure to drain it really well, you guys, and mix. And then your sour cream, your sugar, nutmeg, then mix, and then add unsalted melted butter, and lastly add your corn muffin mix. Pour your mixture into a 9x12 baking dish and bake on 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. You guys, this was my very first time making this dish. I always ate it at someone else's house, and following Rosie's recipe was so easy, and she's just the greatest. Thank you so much, Rosie. Here's the after. This dish is perfect for the holiday season. If your family or your guest isn't a fan of corn pudding, you can always make corn muffins in the Wilton Everyday Bakeware that works great in the oven and looks even better on your table. This garlic and onion green bean recipe is actually mine, and I'm using the Quartz 4-quart steamer to steam my green beans. It can also be used to steam your seafood as well. I have a half an onion chopped with butter and garlic to suit your taste. Add Goya salad vegetable seasoning and a dash of the Goya in the orange packet. Add garlic after your onions are softened. After your green beans are cooked, place them into the garlic mixture, and you can add a little broth to it so it doesn't dry out. It's always exciting to see home decor with the North Pole Trading Company has its holiday season. This is the Snowhaven Teal Prism Christmas tabletop tree that reminds me of stained glass. It also comes in frosted as well, and I'm adding a variety of sizes down the middle of our island. The gold hammered trees were added in between. I also added frosted greenery on either side for a simple and affordable centerpiece. I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. There will be more Christmas videos on the way. I'll be sure to leave a link to JCPenney for your shopping convenience, and I want to thank you all for watching.